What's the meaning of Britishism? Britishism. Britishism.
Britishism. Britishism. Britishism refers to a word or expression that is specific to British English or reflects British culture. It can also refer to a trait or behavior that is typically associated with British people. For example, lorry and biscuit are Britishisms, as are expressions like cheerio and bloody hell. The term is often used by linguists and language learners to distinguish between American English and British English. Understanding Britishisms is important for effective communication with British people, and can also help non-native speakers avoid misunderstandings or awkward situations.